Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get this output in Python by using Python Visualizer. So first of all, we need to say that we are 1066 Lessons Guy, or we are this person. So we want to put the name that you want, a name which would be good for a variable. Then we want to print that, well, in my case, I am 1066 Lessons Guy. So say I am 1066 Lessons Guy. Then we scroll down and visualize, and if we press next, it will show I am 1066 Lessons Guy. So that's how you get the name. And then we want to times two numbers together, so we want to put number 1 equals input, and then we want the user to input a number, so it'll say please input a number or your first number. So it says please input your first number and close bracket, because that's what we need to do. And then we'll call it number 2 equals input, and please input your second number, and make sure we have speech marks around it. So if we go down and visualize it, so it comes up with I'm 1066 Lessons Guy, and then you input your first number. I'll just put 6, and you do it again, and you input your second number. I'll just put 8, and as you can see at the moment, it just says they're next to there because that's what you've inputted. I won't do anything else right now. So then if you say print number 1, obviously with the right bracket, and then to use the times you use the star symbol on the keyboard, and you go print number 1 times number 2, and this should give you the answer to what you want. Visualize, and then we go next, input your first number, I'll go 9, input your second number, I'll go 7. Then if we go over here, after we press next, and that's a mistake that I've made when I've done this, because I have forgot to use an integer. That is why it's not working. So if you go back, you need to represent as an integer, you need to put int bracket, and then you also need to put an extra bracket at the end, because they have extra brackets, because they have 2 sets now instead of just the 1. So you can definitely tell I did that on purpose. Anyway, we'll visualize execution, and we'll go next, and it will come up with I'm 1066 Lessons Guy. Then we will enter our number, so enter 7, and we'll enter 8, and then if we press next, it will now show that 7 times 8 is 56. So there you have it. There you have your inputting your numbers. So that is how you get that input, timesing numbers and saying who you are in Python.